Nature's Sunshine is committed to helping you build your mind, body, and business. And that's why we offer a wide range of educational opportunities. From small home meetings where you can learn about natural health alternatives, to regional meetings on the Brilliant Body System, to an entire NSP Education Week dedicated to online natural health training. And because being healthy isn't just about your body. On naturesunshine.com, you can find out about all of the wonderful education opportunities that are just waiting for you. On the members page, you can see a calendar of upcoming events in your area. Starting with small in-home herbal hours, you can connect with other people like you and learn about the benefits of natural supplements. Then, with the Natural Health Education Seminars, you can begin learning about the Brilliant Body program. You'll receive in-depth training on specific body systems and how they affect overall wellness, and you'll discover natural supplements formulated specifically for those body systems. With the Road to National Business trainings held across the country, you'll learn the secrets of our top distributors. You'll also learn what you need to do to qualify for a trip to the National Convention. That's right, we want to teach you to qualify so we can pay for the trip. Learning is that important to us. Each year at the National Convention, you can meet people from all over the country. You can learn where the company is headed and get everything you need to take your life where you want it to go. But that's not all. Nature's Sunshine offers regular online webinars on current health topics or new product developments. And now, through Sunshine, you can find training materials and videos on every subject from the Brilliant Body program to the compensation plans. But Sunshine is more than just that. You'll also find support from distributors from all across the country. It's like bringing a national convention into your living room. Knowledge fuels the power to make true and lasting change, and Nature's Sunshine wants to give you that power. Nature's Sunshine. You've found what you're looking for.